Hello, Python lesson 10. The program finds the floor division of two numbers. Example: program step 1, open write 3. Step 2, type the following codes for number 1 and number 2. Result equal to number 1 / number 2, print under bracket under quotes result. Step 3, click the run button. Step 4, enter the first number 57, press enter key to continue. Enter second number 5, press enter key to continue. The output of this program is result equal to 11. Okay, thank you.